Magandang araw po mga kabihero. Ang lumang simbahan po na inyong nakikita ay ang simbahan po ng bayan ng Mahayhay dito po sa lalawigan ng Laguna. So kung ang pagbabatayan po natin ay kung ano lang po yung ating nakikita, masasabi po natin na ang simbahan pong ito ay naitayo daang taon na ang lumipas. So ito po yung kanyang historical marker at atin pong babasahin para sa inyo mga kabiyahero para po sa accurate na impormasyon tungkol po sa simbahang ito. Simbahan ng Mahayhay, unang ipinatayong yari sa kawayan at pawid sa sitio Mayet ng mga misyonerong Agustino matapos ang pamamayapa sa katutubo ni Salcido noong 1571. Nasunog noong 1576. Muling ipinatayo ng mga Pransiskano sa panahon ni Padre Juan de Plasencia noong 1578. Muling nasunog noong 1606. Ipinatayo ang kasalukuyang simbahang bato noong 1616 hanggang 1649. Bahagyang nasunog noong 1660, ipinaayos noong 1707, pinalaki at pinatibay sa pamamahala ni Padre Jose de Puertollano noong 1711 hanggang 1734. Pamuling ipinaayos noong mga taong 1839 hanggang 1842 at 1948 dahil sa pinsala ng bagyo. Naging himpilan ng mga Amerikano noong digmaang Pilipino-Amerikano at isinaayos noong 1912. So ayan po yung ating mababasang kasaysayan tungkol sa pasimula hanggang sa kasalukuyang estado o kalagayan ng simbahang ito na patuloy pa rin pong nagagamit sa kabila po ng ilang siglong nagdaan mga kabiyahero.
With the presence of the Franciscans, the evangelization in Mahayhay began. So later on, they tried to evangelize the people, and according to our ecclesiology, when a place is already evangelized, we call it, we will do what we will do is to plant a church, to create a place of worship. So when the people are already evangelized, the Franciscan erected a church, but it was made of nipa and bamboo. It was made of nipa and bamboo. But sadly, a year after, it was destroyed by fire. Then again, a new church was erected, but it was not only a church that was erected, but the Franciscan named the church under the patronage of Saint Gregory the Great. Why? Because these Franciscans were devoted to Saint Gregory the Great, and it was said that the province of the Franciscans here in the Philippines erected the province of Saint Gregory the Great in November 1586. And the chapel was created a year later in honor of Saint Gregory the Great. But again, because it was made of light materials such as bamboo and nipa, it was destroyed again by fire. And later on, they decided to establish another church. By 1578, they created another church for the Mayahenos. Again, it was destroyed by fire. 3 times in a row, the churches were destroyed by fire. But because of these happenings in the evangelization, they tried to renovate the place. Because this is not Mayet. This place is not Mayet. Mayet is far from here. So they decided to renovate the place, the organization here, they call it Ilayan Mahayhay. Ilayan Mahayhay. What do we mean by Ilaya? Upper. The upper part. The higher ground. Mahayhay, because it came from the word Mahayhay, which means mahangin or wind. So as you know, if you arrive here,
Sorry, ha?
Speaking powder. Material again, but adobe. The use of adobe. Again, it was destroyed for time. On the fourth time, this was destroyed for fire. So the Franciscans were very anxious of that. Dito pag nagsasimula ng mundo. They're inspired. The church was destroyed by fire, so they decided to build more stable, stronger church. So they began constructing a church that is made of